ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू।
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
Hi, hello, namaste, adham, vanakkam, kim chu, radhe radhe. This is
Everyone, this is N. Nagalakshmi from intermediate second year, and today I am very happy to have the opportunity to express my thoughts and tell you why this Independence Day is so special to me. First of all, I wish everyone happy 75th Independence Day. Everyone in India knows that India got independence from 300 years of British rule at the stroke of midnight as India moves towards August 15, 1947. But India was born in a very difficult circumstances. Perhaps no other country by then was in a difficult situation as India. See, as a civil aspirant, Independence Day is so special to me because this day stands as a reminder of the sacrifices made by eminent personalities. Few of them which I would like to include Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, etc. And we are all so different, but the one thing that unites us is independence. And today we are able to move freely, able to express ourselves, and we have the right to question the government. And we are no more under the foreign rule because we have that national security. And all this we are able to achieve with our unique struggle fought with the Britishers. So this special day will remind us of the great work done by our heroes. And days like Republic Day, Independence Day will remind us of the togetherness, unity, and the patriotic feelings among the individuals. And this day we pay respect to our beautiful and glorious nation. See, today is special day because today is a day of appreciation, a day when our body, mind, soul feel ignited to see those three colors merging extraordinarily. See, freedom is something that we need to fight for. So we have fought hard with the Britishers and we have earned it. So let's celebrate this freedom and let us be mindful of everything that we can do to our country and make it a place of wealth, happiness and prosperity. And if I am given an opportunity to born into this world again, I will choose to live over and over into this great nation filled with happiness, love and shared prosperity. And my love for this country is worthiness. My love for my people is endless. All I desire for my country is happiness. And finally, I would like to conclude with the theme of this year Independence Day, Nation First, Always First. And I thank the management for giving me this great privilege. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, this is Nageshwari from degree first year. So today I am here with the topic of why Independence Day is so special for you. First of all, we need to know what is Independence Day. Independence Day, as the name indicates, it is the day on which we got freedom and on which we became independent. So every year we celebrate Independence Day on the 15th August. We got independence in the year 1947. Independence Day is very important to pay tribute for the freedom fighters who struggled a lot to bring freedom for us. So this was the day in 1947 in which we got freedom and also on which we became independent from British rule. As we all know, British ruled us for nearly 200 years, and after 200 years rule, we were relieved from their rule. We are fortunate that our freedom fighters, that our forefathers did a lot of protests and they gave us a peaceful life. A peaceful life which we are living today is just because of their sacrifices. Many leaders like Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi and Bhagat Singh and many leaders, they contributed their whole life for the service of our nation. And now India is one of the largest democracies of the world. And India is also one of the emerging economies of the world. And it is also developed in the fields of technology, education, sports and many other fields, which could not be possible without freedom. So that freedom is brought for us, is given for us by our forefathers. So at the end of my speech, I would like to say that we should be proud to be Indians, not to forget the sacrifices of our forefathers. We have to contribute something to our country. So now it's our turn. So as the citizens of India, we should be contributing something which is very significant for our country. And we should also be proud, and we are very lucky that we are born in a land of independent India.
Let the tricolor immerse you into struggle, peace and growth. I, G. Manishri Reddy, wishing you a very happy Independence Day. This year, we are not able to celebrate Independence Day together. But as a responsible civilian of India, we cannot forget our duty towards our motherland, Bharat Mata. Our India is a mixture of culture, tradition, religion, diversity and many more. India is a unique country. It struggled a lot for our independence. Our ancestors have suffered very much by cruel behavior of Britishers. So many great leaders had sacrificed their lives for India's independence. Due to constant efforts, finally we got independence on 14th of August 1947. Because of that, we are living today happily. This day gives us opportunity to remember the great freedom fighters. We never forget the work done by them to provide us beautiful and peaceful life. Because of them, today we are all greeting each other Happy Independence Day.
Hi, this is Ashwit of Degree First Year student. Here I want to share few words about why Independence Day is so special for everyone.
Myself Snehanjali. As there is an Independence Day, let's celebrate this Independence Day by recollecting the importance of the glorious occasion.
Good morning to respected dignitaries, teachers and my dear friends. Today, we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country.
Jawaharlal Nehru said, "At the stroke of midnight hour, when the whole world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom." My name is Vahali and I am from Inter First Year Group HEC.
Namaste everyone, I am Divyashree, a degree first year student of Ignite IS Academy.
Jai Hind. Thank you.
This is Veshmik of Ignite IS. I am presently pursuing my second year of graduation in Ignite IS Institute.
Today I am going to speak about why independence is special for me.
I wish you a happy Independence Day. I am Saket Chandra signing off.
Thank you.